Good day to everyone, to my beloved co-workers, staffs, to the management, and most especially to our dearest manager, Mrs. Maria Jenny Balatukan Kuray. I am Echel A. Coraje, the Group C representative who will give you the sales report of Jarls Company from the months of January to June 2021. I am presenting to you the sales report of Jarls Company for the months of January to June. I will be providing the three specific sales from our individual type of customers, namely external, walk-in, and consignment. Let's start with the external customers. These types of customers are the people that pay for and use the products or services of our company. These customers are the person that are not directly connected to our organization other than by purchasing our product or service. They could be a one-time purchaser or a person who worked with long-term and to whom we have provided add-ons or customization options. So they are usually our clients or accounts. So for external in the month of February has the least among other months. Meanwhile, the month of May has the highest sales. So the following are the reasons of the rise and fall regarding the organic fertilizer sales. Number one is the purchase and credit. It is more favorable to the customers that they can first use the products before paying them because they can find another sideline jobs to pay their payables. Number two is the contractual arrangements. They can have arrangements with the seller regarding the payment methods and terms. And lastly, the grace period. The buyers can ask grace period to the seller whenever they can pay on the maturity dates. So from January through May, external sales rise but then decline in June. It may change depending on the season, as fertilizer consumption is dependent on when customers needed it. It is preferable to determine the impact of other variables such as pricing, product, distribution channel, and promotion and customer satisfaction and loyalty to Jarls Company in addition to price, product, distribution channel, and promotion. So overall, as we can see in the graph table, the sales coming from external parties has the highest among the three major group of customers. The company does not allow any credit period in respect of walk-in customers and is therefore not exposed to at any credit risk. The company's objective is to maintain optimum levels of liquidity to meet its cash and collateral requirements. Walk-in sales can increase through better customer services. It is expected that the Jarls company will focus on improving customer satisfaction so that users who have been educated by existing products will be satisfied to use the product properly and in accordance with the rules in order to obtain satisfactory results that meet expectations, resulting in increased customer loyalty and product sales. Getting new customers is great, but keeping existing customers and getting new ones is better. Evaluating and improving your sales channels, such as salespeople, may help you reach more customers, gain market domination, and enhance profit. The consignment is a simple and straightforward process towards sales for the company. Jarls Company provides a place for consignee to sell their organic fertilizer. In return for the sales pace, the consignee takes a percentage of the sales price. The remaining amount is then paid to the company at some point in time and usually at the end of the month. Now, as we can see in the figure here, the consignment has the lowest sales among the three types of customers, amounting only to 56,235 or 9% of the total sales. This might because if the organic fertilizer does not sell well or the commission on its sale is not as attractive, the consignee may prefer to display his own inventory in most prominent and advantageous places, and Jarls Company gets no cash until the goods are actually sold to customers and the payment is remitted to him by the consignee. This is some of the possibility why company got lowest sales in their consignment agreement. Jarls company can use social media to boost consignment sales. Today, social media platforms have become a well-known commercial outlet, and in particularly in light for the present circumstances. So from January to June, Jarls company generated the most money from external sources because some customers likely purchased more fertilizers if they had a longer period of time to pay back. Next is the walk-in. Customers want a tactile experience in a physical store, but because of the surge of e-commerce, customers prefer to order online because it is easier and more convenient. Consignment sales account, on the other hand, for the lowest percentage of sales. This is most likely due to the fact that the fertilizers are more expensive than those sold in physical stores. Notice that the highest sales accounted for among the three during the first 2 months came from walk-in, but shifted to external starting March until June. So, as a conclusion, it is better to keep an eye on the competitors to produce highly quality items. Always try to improve and maintain product quality. A modernized manufacturing facility capable of producing fertilizers, capable of fulfilling evolving as well as a consumer-specific demands will be critical in advancing holders' position. Product quality and customer satisfaction are the primary factors affecting purchase decision. So that will be all. Thank you.